Okay. Hello. Um, this evening I want to talk about this video I watched called Project Stargate, the CIA, Mars, and time travel. Later I'll put a link on this video. This guy was talking about I guess they were doing some secret program where they were putting information in an envelope and having a few people that might have been gifted that, maybe this one guy might have had an accident and then he gained some kind of ability. I'm not sure how, but, gained some kind of ability where, like, he could, like, see things with, in his mind with, being able to describe it or draw it or something like that. Anyways, they didn't tell him what was in the envelope. They only revealed it later. I guess he was having a hard time describing some of the things, but he was describing buildings, shapes, and everything, and what looked like people, but maybe because he felt like they had passed away, maybe he had a feeling about it, but they were from a really long time ago. And then when they opened the envelope, they revealed that he was like, that it was Mars or something, and a place on Mars a billion years ago, which I didn't think Mars was even existing back then. But so I don't know if that was true or not when he talked about that, or when what he thought he saw might not have been what was real. This is kind of interesting. Let's see. So it's interesting that you can travel places in your mind, like when you're dreaming. You can, when you're dreaming about places, it's like you're traveling there because you may be making it up, but it's almost like time travel in a way. Like, so when you're sleeping, it's like traveling somewhere, like you're in a different place, actually. I've heard about people doing like, it's called remote viewing. Remote viewing, that's what it's called. I think the government had some type of thing where they're hiring people for remote viewing, and they might have been training a few people to how to do that. I don't think I could do that. I don't think I could like just put myself in some type of trance and be able to know what some other place looked like and describe it and everything. That would be really difficult. Maybe once in a while, some people like me or somebody else might get visions of some things, but it even could be things from the future or maybe visions of things from the past. But I don't think it's a all the time thing. Maybe some of the people are gifted in that, but most of the time, most people aren't. How's everybody doing? I don't know if let me put my glasses on. Oh, no one else is here right now. Well, I watched the video, and also I was going to talk about numbers. Like this one video, another video I watched was where he was talking about the number 9. Number 9 is interesting because, like he said, you could multiply 9 by any number, and no matter what the answer was, if you reduce that answer back down to a single digit, it'll always be 9. Like he said, 9 times 10 is 90, so you add 9 plus 0 and you get 9. 9 times 11 is 99, so you add 9 plus 9, you get 18, but you have to reduce it down to a single digit, so you go 1 plus 8 and you get 9. So no matter what you do, 9 times 100 is 900. 9 plus 0 equals 9. So you have 9 again. So that was really interesting, learning about number 9 and what you can do with that. Any number you multiply will always reduce back down when you add the digits back down to a single digit. Anyways, I've heard about people doing like an out-of-body experience. People have experienced that. It's sort of like travel out of your body. Out-of-body experiences. Some people only go really short distance away. I've always thought about I wouldn't want to leave my body really, because what if you could never get back to your body? If you like decided to travel out of your body and you, instead of just going a short distance away, like maybe you might go too far and not be able to get back into your body, then your body might die because you're not in it or something like that. So that would be kind of scary to actually leave your body, because most of the time people described it after they had passed or something, but sometimes they got to get back in because God allowed them to get back into their body, and they ended up still being able to be alive. um, so I hope you're enjoying my little video here. Earlier I did a cooking video. I made some food and I shared my cooking, a little bit of the taco mix with rice. It was pretty tasty. And I like watching those interesting videos. I think they're really cool. And I learn a lot. I'm thankful for YouTube because I really do learn many things. There's a lot of people share how to cook things. They put recipes on there. I even write some of them down so I can cook them later. It's good to have a written copy just in case power goes out and you can't look it up on a computer or a phone, because the phone might go out too. You might not have any cellular data if everything goes out, even the phones. But if you have a written copy, you can always, on the paper, it's easy. You don't have to worry about power or anything. You can still have your recipe if you're able to somehow cook anything. But without power, it might be hard to cook too. I think it was a good thing in the past when people could, light fires with wood and have a way to stay warm and cook food and everything. I don't think it would be right for some people to tell people they can't have a fire and to keep warm. Hold on. Please? Oh, wait. Come back in a little bit, okay? Yes. Okay, go. Come down soon. Oh, okay. Well, wait. Let me go. Wait.